Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's new video, how to make money from WordPress with affiliate marketing by Matebook and WordPress monetization. You have access Matt's way to make money using WordPress. The hater parts filtering in once. That's work best you ever found. You are successful making from WordPress affiliate marketing. Once your fund perfect complete partner, this great partner and revenues. Today I am going to all details about how to using WordPress with affiliate marketing can granted and regular follow income new and granted rolling hours possible great bit of to all cash site and amount successful achieved really of the amount effect particular popular website. What is an affiliate program? An affiliate program is system allow website owner to share and the sales in other complaints using links and banners. We can own visitor click link website and take product page. You make a constant commission from sales leader. Easily you help other complete sell product and service by advertisement your website. This work in similar how to earn work to show advertisement. The difference is amount of make money start comparing affiliate to AdSense. Using AdSense website can bring a bit of extra money depending on the amount to traffic receive. You earn small amount of money anytime visitor click and the ads that can range every 0.01 area more than $3 dependent on the ads stateful. With an affiliate links target your standard on a lot more dependent on the sales and commission. For example, if affiliate will have give up to 20% of any sales you help granted and more than visitor by $115 worth of stuff you make $13 for that one sale. In many ways to affiliate marketing a fair more effective using AdSense along website. How to affiliate work at instead affiliate marketing requirement the use tracking codes special ad account that's parts of URL provide that allow and company your track visitor your site and make purchase in the affiliate business directory visitor a website product service and earn commission. Some affiliate target will pay spending of traffic many and more simply clicks and visitor website. However, you are not all that commission. In the case you needed affiliate tracking codes, make sure created which sales lead these are after using links with constant because and website the most improvement accepted make money from a website before your jumps and second you make money straightly using WordPress with affiliate marketing. These ones are visitor improvement exception where needed constant traffic. If your website does have to visitor you can export quickly start making money you needed keep make that's only 0.07 percentage average user click and advertisement all and not you all them going purchase good themes, many you needed lot visitor you can went to serial amount make money using marketing. Will the average increase likelihood of getting sales for your site? Such increation was the content you keep provide instead. I am not says to can't make money from small WordPress websites. My point that you are needed be related with Golpa and explanation. Some website with direction about 25 visitors and die up without receiving and sign in. Click affiliate links where you can find affiliate network because your affiliate marketing such offers successful way to make money online. You can go target visitor platforms. Once that we have been to keep mid target his some re-election and about the maximum affiliate network. For example, some will your can to other network page and content just make sure your needed target your perfect affiliate network. You don't wait to get winner, simply mix and network population below post here few affiliate system you can WordPress website popular home creation fashion green business more merchandise future merchandise matters. I went to be once share in sales for is popular network with constant visitor numbers business you can sign up with visitor commission and sales everything costing to tools not only air suspension with banners and links from these completion to use WordPress website. You can also create owner event to link a special product most cases. Once the deck I like most about share as sales work and have account closing have to meet and sales creation amount of theme which makes a great system and new site owner drive and think big experience big result 1.6 millions of analyzation also now in commission just CG affiliate is almost the most popular platform on the internet. Some large guest and conference use cg.com in content website owner like useful the menu benefit and make money. It is also quick directory policy instead of the one of CG affiliate. You are needed to have a quick sales owner account is closing with clear amount of time. Amazon associate earn up to 10% advertisement free fees with trusted and e-commerce leader. The Amazon Associate program is good once of the get into site your lot visitor on the ones of biggest collection of the good internet can you easily into website niche. Amazon Associate and other platform requirement license of the one sales with a special time frame and what they access many product and many activities many on a site. The coding and biggest Amazon provide and make it WordPress post sickest and quick without using plugin. Many people have to great deals of money using ClickBank and affiliate network like other use and what visitor product ranking travel all target clickbait does have to several filter you can use one especially combined to work with searching and available like and complete other access thousands up to thousand affiliate partner using from owner, dropshipper and system, and literally this nothing, and using extra drop shipping a website technology and affiliate venture. The process work similar. A big difference to your share the sales and drop shipping company which like product a lot and people using part diamond service such trustworthy to sell designer shit and magist and such more than a product and like Christian sale and earn money. The reason I works out this because to hire similar you can be profit affiliate marketing you can and links promote and stuff link it drop shipper website you are needed working and tracking URL how to use making WordPress once creation affiliate networks it links whenever WordPress that can be drawn numbers of dependent when to affiliate approval account content. Here are few more population method sharing affiliate marketing program WordPress posting affiliate links WordPress and share sales provide code add to website most this network requirement do not changing in the code you are simply copy paste in links almost any section WordPress the most custom post type. How do you about pasting in WordPress? Use a sidebar, a complex and add sidebar, and you can customer HTML. Biggest the paste the codes. You can move visitor tag, drop feature WordPress use with content most codes affiliate program friendly WordPress editor theme. You can content with banner links become additional like affiliate links WordPress visitor you can place the almost every long time and this affiliate thirsty affiliate product plugin like have visitor option corner this URL keeping track over visitor click the constant selection but not liking and allow honor image banners ads and provide you can target show especially graph location rating reviews all some the best content drive traffic your site and WordPress reviews light ads rocket up to system ranking visitor not a SEO friendly using ranking microsoft but your ads at affiliate log section the visitor come this plugin and create reviews active redeem Google will the promotion affiliate links make money Amazon Auto and sold with amazing affiliate install your specialist selected goods for you once a future plugin available at affiliate marketing tips and tricks don't share your page your needed ads page give factory of affiliate method that visitor experience your site keep affiliate links review and content you can links remain in WordPress the rating about clicking subscribe press the bell icon for latest mission update thanks for watching